Okay, so this is the newest batch of Tibicos, and this one is lemon mint. We opened one up yesterday and it exploded out, oozing everywhere. So this time I have a little bowl under it. Clea's gonna pop it open for us, and let's see how it goes. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Oh, we got a rise. We got a rise. I don't think it's gonna explode though.
Okay, we're good.
All right, we're good. Look at that smoke though, my goodness.
Still in there.
Still there. We got some good carbonation. Lots of great carbonation. And this is absolutely a delicious flavor. Just push it. There you go. Ooh, easy. So lemon mint. Absolutely yummy combo. Still my favorite. This one is my favorite. And I have 2 favorites, if that's possible. This one and the honey ginger citron were my favorite. So these 2. Lemon mint is very refreshing. You can still see it's still fizzing in there. She's getting glasses so we can pour some out and you can see the fizz. Super easy to make. Literally 2 days. That's it. In 2 days, you can have a beautiful... Well, let me clarify. It takes 2 days to do the initial ferment and then 1 to 2 days for the second fermentation, which is where you add your flavoring. But anyway, that's it. In just a short time, you can have your own homemade, delicious, probiotic, fizzy beverage that is very light. It's way healthier for you, way better for you than those flavored carbonated waters that you get at the store. It's practically free, making it at home, and we do multiple bottles at a time, so we'll have quite a few of these. It lasts us a few days. By the time our next batch is ready, we had just finished getting through this one, and so we have a constant supply. And in the summer it goes even faster, so like when the temp's warmer in the house, it ferments even faster, so we'll have a lot more then. And plus the grains grow, so you can start doing bigger batches. So anyway, we love it, and it's super good for your belly, and it's absolutely delicious. And so if you're interested to learn how to make this, keep a watch on our page. I will be posting the class details soon. You'll go home with some grains of your own and a pop top bottle, so you'll be ready to brew your own batch. So keep a watch out for that. I'll be posting that as soon as I get around to doing some admin work, which my calendar is super full, but it'll be as soon as I can. With love, Bren from Kindred Acres. And Kalia. Hi.